Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your D2L Brightness Minnesota State University account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First, open up a browser of your choice and then search for D2UMSU login. Then select the first link. That will take you to the D2L Brightspace Minnesota State University official webpage, and then below you can see a yellow button login to D2L Brightspace. Click on it and then select sign on with star ID. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your star ID and your password. And once you've done them both, simply select sign on. And that's how you'll be logged into your Minnesota State University account. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post another video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.